Okay, today we're gonna make meatloaf Blackstone burgers. What exactly is that? Is it meatloaf? Yeah. Is it a burger? Yeah. I guess that means it's cooked on the Blackstone? Yeah. Let's get started. I'll put the ingredients down in the description. Here I'm using 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef, but you can use ground chicken, ground turkey, whatever you want. Just add in the ingredients, sub however you would like. For people more ketogenic, you can use pork rinds instead of the Cheez-Its. The first time I've ever used the Cheez-Its was this time. So you want to roll them into a ball. If you're doing portion control, you can weigh this out. I just kind of winged it and went with what we got. Of course, fire up your grill and get it preheated. And so we want the bottoms to get nice and brown, a little bit browner than that. And then we're going to flip it. Have you ever noticed when you're watching videos of people cooking on YouTube, they use those black gloves instead of like the white ones or blue ones? So those make you look more professional. So if you're going to cook in front of friends and family, people you don't know, get the black gloves because it makes you look like a pro. When you're cooking burgers, you don't sit there and flip them and flip them and flip them. You just wait for one side to get done, you flip it and do the other. Just let one side cook, and you can tell when it's almost done because when you see your burger, it'll be browned up towards the middle, depending on how well you want it cooked. And then that's when you flip it. And then as it browns to the other side, then it's done. So if you've never tried that, give it a shot and see how it works for you. You guys, this burger is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend making one for yourself.